how to make icons look bigger on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can make the icons look bigger on iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to make the icons look bigger on your iPhone, what you have to do is basically you have to go ahead and then launch the settings app. Then once you launch the settings app, what you need to do is just go to the option called display and brightness. So once you go to display and brightness, scroll down and then look for display zoom. So currently when I tap on display zoom, it is set to default, right? And currently you can see my app icons, it's relatively quite small. So if I want to increase it, first of all, I'll select this larger option. Then I'll tap on done. Then I'll tap on use zoomed option here. So basically now once it has been reloaded, I will show you the magic. I'll just tap on done and I'll come back to my home screen, and now you can see the icons are actually much more bigger and much more clearer to see than before. And this is basically how you can make icons look bigger on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.